in an effort to help students who are looking at what they're doing with their career, if it's in law and politics, showing them other directions they can go other than being an attorney or a politician or working in those fields, but looking at community development and politics at a local level, and at just real estate work and development work. The big reason I didn't become a lawyer is that I wanted to work on real estate issues and do development myself rather than represent developers who I didn't really agree with the work, the types of work they were doing, both where and for whom. Crossover Community Impact is an organization that works to restore its community in North Tulsa. It takes a comprehensive approach, doing multiple things, but focuses in one narrow geographic area. So we focus around the Hawthorne neighborhood and work in the areas of health with a medical clinic, a full-time medical practice, have a housing development company that rehabs and builds new construction, hires guys from the community to do that. We have an after-school program at Hawthorne Elementary School that also has a summer day camp, so we work on educational issues. The reaction from people in the community has always been good. I think a huge reason why that's the case is that that Crossover Community Impact, all of its employees live in the community. They have to, if they don't already live in the community when they join Crossover, they kind of commit to moving to North Tulsa. So the work is kind of for the community, by the community, and a lot of our employees grew up in North Tulsa. The advice I would give students who want to work in an area like North Tulsa is for them to reach out to some of the organizations that are working there. If there aren't organizations working in the particular field or area that they're interested in, that they get to know people in the community and build trust and find other people who want to do the similar work and make it happen.